I gave her a can. I probably don't say she can. Guess I forgot we met at Oklahoma. I used to smoke Regina, she from Arizona. Then I met a Cali, I never do something. She got me we come from bro. But she keeps telling me that, y'all. Say what you tell me, what you want. Now I gotta ask this retard's trying to catch chickens. He's what the hell are you doing?
Trying to catch some chickens.
Look at this kid. You're going on YouTube.
Don't you dare.
Yeah, this is going on YouTube. World star. Kid is trying to catch. Look at this.
Oh, come on.
Look at this. He's really trying to catch chickens. You got one.
Oh, thank you.
Konnichiwa. He got one black one. So, hold on. I want to pet it.
It won't bite you.
Okay, here. Ready? I'm going to switch. You hold this, and I'll take the chicken. Hey, I've never held a chicken. Whoa. Don't bite me, you little rat. It's its feet. Yeah. Look at it. Psycho chicken.
Oh my god.
It's a psycho chicken. Mikey, get that chicken. Get zebra chicken. Come here, zebra chicken. There goes zebra chicken.
Oh my god.
There's another zebra one. He's in here.
Wait, don't open it. They're gonna come in.
Hey, there's a chicken right there. There's a few right there.
We won't come out.
No, there's a few in there.
Oh my gosh.
Get zebra chicken or something like that, or whoever you can grab. Another black one? Oh, take it out! Yo, you're psycho, bro. Oh, chill. Ah, don't come near me. What the hell's wrong with you, Mikey? You're chasing the chickens. This kid is crazy, bro. He's over here chasing goddamn chickens. I'm gonna kind of get out of here so I don't get bit.
What did you say?
Said I'm gonna kind of get out of here so I don't get bit, and there's like flies
Just
going in my
stay
hair.
over there.
That's what I'll do.
It bit your iPad. Like this.
Stupid chicken tried to bite my iPod. Get up here. If I fell asleep and this stayed like how it is, it's cool.
Oh my god! Jump like that.
So he can catch the black chickens really easily. Try and catch like a...
Oh my gosh!
Chicken fight. That zebra chicken's mean. You're gonna go after him though, ain't you?
You just pushed me. These black ones are big now.
You think? Put them, no, over there. Don't throw them, they can't fly.
Sorry.
Stupid. That one's mad. You bastard. He's probably swearing at you in chicken, bro. Pick the one you want to marry. Papa said pick the one you want to eat. I want to eat this one right here, that fat one.
That one?
Yep, zebra one.
I want to eat him.
I want to eat him. That's probably why.
Ah!
Want to eat that one? Or do you want to marry that one?
I won't marry that one.
So instead of... Whoa!
Oh my gosh!
Oh, try and grab that brown one right there. That's a nice one. Yeah, him. My cousin is messed up trying to catch chicken.
I am not messed up.
You are.
I know how to catch a chicken. I catch the black one, the little baby one.
Yeah, but you can't catch the big ones. Mike, let him go.
It is.
Catch the big brown one right there behind that tree.
He won't let me.
He won't let me.
Whoa!
We're at a job, and this is all this kid's been doing. Just chilling with these.
I was almost close.
Just trying to catch these freaking chickens. That's all this kid does. Just catch chickens, catch chickens, catch the chickens. Instead of dun 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 dun, dun it's gonna be. Bark, 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 bark. You like that one? You want that one to be your wife?
Yes.
The one with the red head?
Uh-huh.
You want a ginger? A ginger chicken?
Yeah. I'll marry her.
I like this one. This one's pretty cool.
You're gonna marry him?
No, I'm not marrying any of these goddamn things. I ain't marrying the freaking chicken. I'll end up eating the goddamn thing. But that one, look at that. I like this one. This guy's cool. Hey, you're a bully though. Freaking bully. This one's also cool. I like his color of him. Like if I had to, I'd marry a girl that color. This tan color.
You're gonna eat my wife?
This is not your wife.
Oh yes, that is.
No, this one was your wife. That one. That white and brown one.
We broke up.
You broke up with that one?
Yeah.
Ooh, watch out, little guy. I'm sorry he broke up with you.
There's
Hey, little one.
6 of them.
I want to touch this furry white one. You can't fly, you stupid. Stupid, can't fly. That's a door. Did you get him? All right, chill. Okay, ready? I'll trade you. No, hold on. Take my iPod. Okay, now take the chicken.
Now look at this one. He has an attitude.
Yes, he does. And I'm gonna let him go. Go ahead, buddy.
Oh my gosh!
Okay.
My wife just pooped.